Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. The structure shows a benzene ring directly attached to a C is equal to O Cl group. The C is equal to O with a Cl attached constitutes an acid chloride, acyl chloride functional group. Moving on to the next step. The benzene ring, phenyl group, C6H5 is the aromatic parent. When benzoic acid, C6H5 loses the O and gains Cl, it forms an acid chloride. Moving on to the next step. Acid chlorides derived from carboxylic acids are named by replacing the ic acid ending with yl chloride. Benzoic acid benzoyl chloride. The compound C6H5COCl is thus named benzoyl chloride. And for the final step, the carbonyl carbon is directly bonded to the phenyl ring on one side and a chlorine atom on the other side with a double bond to oxygen. This is precisely the structure of benzoyl chloride, also called benzene carbonyl chloride or phenyl carbonyl chloride. Therefore, the correct answer is benzoyl chloride. The correct answer is shown on screen.